What is the one thing that comes to your mind when I say Kim Kardashian? You guessed that right, vampire facial. Hi, my name is Jaishree Sharad and today I'm here at Car West in Mumbai at Dr. Jaishree Sharad's clinic where I'm going to be trying out vampire facial, aka blood facial, also known as PRP. So come along. What exactly is PRP?
The full form, first of all, is platelet-rich plasma. So we collect blood from you, and then about 8 to 10 ml, not too much. And then we have a specific centrifuge device, and we, put this blood, add it to a reagent, to a kit, and then put it in centrifuge, such that from the blood you separate the plasma, which is really rich in platelets, and all the different types of growth factors. There is transforming growth factor, endothelial growth, lots of growth factors which will stimulate your skin, and they will stimulate your collagen fibers and help to tighten the skin, reduce the pores, help to improve your fine lines and give you that nice smooth texture. That is PRP.
Oh.
And it's your own blood, so very safe.
Very safe. Doc, can you walk me through the entire procedure? What exactly is going to happen to me today?
Alright. So once I collect your blood, I will also apply a numbing cream on your face. And while this process of centrifuge is going on, your skin is going to get numb. Okay. And then I'm going to inject that platelet-rich plasma into your skin with really fine insulin syringes. Those syringes that we use for diabetes. So very fine, all over your face. And then I'm going to use a dermapen device, right? And do a little bit of microneedling with the dermapen. And then a little bit of PRP that is left behind, we'll just pour it because the dermapen anyway creates some channels in your skin. So we'll pour that PRP, allow it to soak inside, and then do its magic. And it's as simple as that. So there would be a little bit of redness on your face. There would be a little bit of swelling maybe for about 24 hours to 48 hours. But that's it.
Nothing really else.
Nothing.
Wow, I'm really excited to try this. And the fact that it's going to be as good as painless is something that, thank God. But doctor, I also want to know, what is the post-care that one has to take care after they have, done the entire procedure? Yeah.
So, first of all, you cannot wash your face for about 9 hours after the treatment. So, you have to allow that solution to sort of keep seeping in. Secondly, what also happens is that if you use tap water, there is a chance of an atypical mycobacterial infection. So, we don't allow you to use water because you've created so many channels, you don't want any bacteria or any microorganisms to go inside. Which is the other reason why we don't allow you to wash your face. So obviously then you can't do anything where you sweat. So no exercises, no form of walking and nothing whatsoever. And obviously then no makeup, no applying anything. So tomorrow, say after about 24 hours, you can use your makeup, you can use all your skincare products, everything back to normal after 24 hours. But washing your face after 9 hours. Right? So that's the basic thing. There are really no side effects. The only thing that can happen is a bruise because multiple injections. So if you bruise, the bruise takes about 4 to 5 days to go. So you can always conceal it. So and you're, I know you're fabulous at makeup. I have to learn from you. I keep telling you. So yeah, so that's about it. There are no side effects otherwise, and there's no elaborate post care. It's very simple and basic.
And that's suitable for all skin types, right?
It is absolutely very safe for all skin types. Absolutely, even sensitive skin types. So, normal, dry, oily, combination, sensitive, pigmented, all skin types can do it. And then I have told you that before the PRP, no painkillers, no supplements, and no alcohol, no smoking. So, at least for about 3 days.
Yeah.
That I hope you've done.
Yes, I have.
That was very important.
Great.
So
I'm very excited. Let's get started.
Okay. Bye.